is the one that we're going to want to attach right now. Now in this build or step, pack, I did accidentally misplace my main screwdriver, so that's why I'm using one that honestly works a lot better, but is not the most comfortable in my hand. But as you can see, I am attaching that EP screw into place, just like so. And with that, that is that main section into place. And to make sure that it's not going anywhere, apparently not yet. Next thing I want to do is grab 60-7, 60-6, and 51-2 and 51-7 and glue them into place. So right now that one is, trying to find it. Where are you? Actually, I don't see it being attached. Just okay. That's 60-1. Now I am holding 60-6. Sorry, I'm scouring through the instructions since I did do some of this out of order. So right now I'm attaching 60-6. Sorry, my big head gets in the way a few times, just like that. Next is 60-7. And what we attached before that was 60-1. Sorry, I forgot I did this slightly out of order to make it easier for me to assemble, and forgot what I did where. But yeah, with 60-7 now in place, the next thing we're going to want to do is grab our rear bulkhead, which is 54-1. Actually, no, apparently I do this even more out of order, because now I'm going to want to attach the roof into place. Sorry about that. I'm looking at the instructions while watching the video and trying to guess what I do. But yeah, right now I'm looking at attaching the roof, and that's held into place with 2 EP screws. Actually, it looks like it might be 3. Alright, that's all the EP screws in place. Now we attach the rear bulkhead. As you see, I'm just showing off how that looks. And I'm pointing out that before all this, you will want to add the lights. I did make a modification to mine by drilling a hole into the kitchen so that the kitchen's lit, instead of having it where it's supposed to be. That's a mod you can find on Todd's website of my U-96 build.com. Here, I finally attached the rear bulkhead with the stove and everything in place. You have to be careful not to make sure that you line everything up correctly and don't. Alright, there we are. Again, make sure everything's lined up. Be careful not to break anything. fragile, like the stove or anything like that, and that's how we're looking. Next step we want to do is, well, what I do is I firmly make sure everything stays together, so I am applying glue onto the tabs once again. Making sure everything is nice and solid. And I do have to apologize. It seems like I forgot to record me showing off the model at the end, but that's how we're looking for the NCO and kitchen so far. Now with that in place, you're going to want EP screws in those 4 holes. Alright, and with that, that is actually the last step in that pack. Right now I'm just going to finish it up by applying more plastic weld into those points just to make sure everything stays nice and tight. And unfortunately that's about it, so thank you for watching. Till then, see you later.